Senior journalist Rajiv Sardesai today withdrew his appeal from the Delhi High Court in a defamation case filed by BJP leader Shazia Ilmi. For those of you who do not know, this case arose from a video and a tweet posted by Sardesai following a heated television debate on the Agniveer scheme on India Today, where Ilmi was one of the panelists. During the debate, Shazia abruptly exited the program, claiming that her microphone was deliberately cut off to suppress her voice. After the incident, Sardesai posted a video on social media platform X in which Ilmi could be seen walking away from the camera after the debate. Along with the video, he tweeted that Ilmi had chucked the mic, allegedly abused a video journalist, and thrown him out of her house, adding that the journalist was only doing his job. Ilmi responded to this by filing a defamation suit, arguing that the video was recorded after she had withdrawn from the debate inside her private home and without her consent. She claimed this was a clear violation of her right to privacy and that Sardesai's version of events misrepresented her behavior and caused reputational harm. Previously, a single judge of the Delhi High Court ruled in Ilmi's favor in part. The court directed Sardesai to take down the portion of the video showing her walking away from the set, stating that her consent to being recorded had ended when she exited the live debate. The judge further noted that a person, especially in their own home, has a reasonable expectation of privacy once they step away from a live broadcast. However, the court also allowed Sardesai to retain parts of his tweet, including the initial portion and the statement that Ilmi abused the journalist, as these were found to be substantially true and protected under the truth defense. The court did not agree, however, with Sardesai's remark that Ilmi chucked the mic, calling it baseless and unsupported by the footage. Interestingly, the judge also imposed costs of 25,000 on Ilmi for having withheld two of her own tweets from the court, which were part of the same online thread. This omission was seen as suppression of material facts. Sardesai then approached a division bench of the Delhi High Court, challenging the single judge's order. Today, during the hearing, his counsel, senior advocate Rajiv Nair, argued that the court had misunderstood certain aspects of the video and questioned why elements like Ilmi's opening of her hair were even considered in the context of privacy. However, the bench comprising Justice Naveen Chawla and Justice Renu Bhatnagar was unconvinced. The judges made strong oral remarks stating that once Ilmi had walked away from the interview and into her private space, continuing to record and post such footage clearly infringed on her privacy. They said that even if she had not explicitly stopped the camera, the act of leaving the interview and walking away from the frame should have been understood as withdrawal of consent. The court also noted that Sardesai's tweet was not protected by journalistic privilege, as it was not part of a formal news report but rather a personal comment on social media. Ilmi's lawyer further pointed out that the video in question was not aired by the channel but was shared separately by Sardesai on his own platform, with additional comments intensifying the privacy violation. After hearing the court's remarks and sensing the lack of support for his appeal, Sardesai chose to withdraw the case. Well, the court permitted the withdrawal and the single judge's ruling now stands as final.